Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. And you can tell by the title, I'm excited to finally bring to you guys the Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. Finally got the name right. So this was a blind buy for me. I've seen a lot of videos giving their first impressions, their layering combos, their thoughts, and their comparisons on the fragrance. Now I will say this is my first Kayali purchase, okay? And I just feel like from looking at all the videos, like their fragrances are hitting, but they don't last. Okay. We want longevity. But this is the one that I really, really needed in my collection because I feel like all the other fragrances that I have, this is just going to top it off. So, to hear my thoughts and to see the bottle, keep on watching. Okay, so here she is, y'all. So I did do an unboxing, a shorts video. I will link that for you guys to check it out. But y'all look at, first of all, like I said, this is my first Kayali like official purchase. Okay. So I just feel like she's special. I already know what she looked like because it's all over the damn internet. But let me show y'all mine. Okay? Period. So look at her. Ooh, she is so freaking pretty. So Bree Slay here on YouTube, when she initially smelled the fragrance, it reminded her of Valentino Born Aroma mixed with the Prada Paradox with some like razzle dazzle sweetness on the top. So in my mind, I like Valentino Born Aroma and I like Prada Paradox, but I learned to love Prada Paradox. So when I initially sniffed Prada Paradox, I was like, it's giving grandma. But y'all know I have the Bath and Body Works Pink Obsession. I don't know why I want to call it Pink Obsession. It's Pink Obsessed. And it's giving both. It's giving a mixture of the two. So I like that fragrance. So when I initially heard this was giving that vibe, I was like, I had to have it. And like I said, again, this fragrance can be layered with a lot of the fragrances that you already have. So let's get into the notes. We have candied pear, sweet violet, bubblegum, white caramel, rock sugar, and vanilla cream. So I know that Kayali gets vanilla right. Like when they do anything with the vanilla, they get it right. So again, when I initially, this like I said, this was a blind buy. I never smelled it. When I initially first sprayed it, I got Valentino. And then I started smelling the Prada Paradox. So for the dry down, like later on that day, it was giving more sweet. I was smelling pear. I was smelling candy. Like it was getting more sweeter. This does not last. So today I layered this with Dahlia from Bath and Body Works. I will pop the notes of Dahlia up on the screen. So like I said, this is my first day wearing this outside. I didn't really smell it on me. You know what I'm saying? And I also wasn't around anybody to really be like, oh, you smell good. But I also only hit it here, and then on the back of my legs. I didn't drench myself in the fragrance. I did drench myself in the Dahlia, but I did not drench myself in this. So yeah, so again, like I like it enough to keep it, but I don't think that I can just wear this by itself. I'm not getting all the fresh bubble gum, the rock sugar, and the sweet. Like initially when I smell this, I do not get that. And that's okay. Because again, I got this so I can do a lot of layering and wear it, like, especially because this is definitely giving a summertime fun fragrance. So my initial thoughts of vanilla candy rock sugar, I rate it a 9 out of 10 because like I said, I like the way it smells. To me, it does give the description of Prada Paradox mixed with the Valentino, right? You don't get the sweetness until maybe 15-20 minutes later once it dries down. Like I said, I wore it today. It is now 9:22 p.m. I barely smell it. Like, I smell it because I know it's on, but if somebody smells me to see if this is it, then this, you won't know I got this on. Okay. So since this is my first Kayali purchase and I was really intrigued with the scent, I'm going to keep her. I know she's going to look good on my shelf. She's pretty, you know what I'm saying? But I smell what I smell, which is the Valentino and the Prada Paradox. Like, I'm sorry. Like, Bree Slay, you put that in my mind, and I'm glad you did, because if I did not see her video, I think I would have still purchased it, because all of the layering combos that I did see for this fragrance and all of the combos, I already own most of the scents. So I'm like, okay, fine. Like, I can put this on with everything. Like, come on, just bring it. So that was a good reason for me to purchase this fragrance. So like I said, I give it a 9. I'm gonna keep her, but I think you should also add her to your collection as well, because I know that you can create some good layering combos with this fragrance. So yeah, y'all. So thank you for watching. What's up to all of my old and new subscribers? I love y'all so much. Subscribe to your girl. Leave a little comment. Let's chat. Let me know what y'all think. And yeah, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Testing, testing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. All right, y'all. Let's get ready to do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.